YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. If not, their website link will be down below. Either or, we're about to see what's inside. Oh yeah, this is definitely Amazon. So thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And YouTubers, if you need something like this, click that link, add it to your cart, and check out. This is coming from my good friends over at Emeet. Smart Cam C990. So this will be perfect now since I am building my first PC. So I'm definitely going to use this as a cam. Full HD webcam with 4 mics. Ooh. Okay. Kind of looks like a Rubik's Cube. Alright, let's see what's inside. And if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have. They got a lot of cool stuff in the tech area. So, just besides the camera. But if you like this camera, get them now before they sell out. With everything might be going up in price, I would grab a couple just in case. There we go. There we go. A little shake. Drop you guys down a little. There we go. Hey. Emeet. Got something in here. Oh, alright, that's empty. You can use it as a jewel box. There we go. It's a USB. The manual. Smart Cam C990. Roger. And now, here we go. Oh yeah, it's a pretty long cord. Good size. Like I said, hopefully to get my PC build within this new month coming up. I just can't believe it's already a new month, guys. We survived. Hopefully everyone's else is doing alright in these crazy times. Look at this cam. This is something nice. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Cover that for a minute. Got that. Could probably have it posted like that. Bam. Especially for all you box breakers out there. Vlogs, streams, Zoom, USB goes there. Pretty simple. Alright, we're gonna hook this thing up. 3, 2, and a second. Whoa. Hello? 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 Alright guys, here we go. We got it all set up now. Look at this. We're doing a test video. Test 1, 2. But the light's on. You can see it right there. Amazing clarity. Yeah, this is definitely going to be my camera. Here's my phone. Oop, there I am. Check it out though. But you can have it mounted, like I said, pretty much like there. You can have it mounted like that. Oops. It'd be nice to do unboxings on this, stuff like that. But Zoom calls and whatnot, all you gotta do is check it out. Click that link down below. Let's test this video out now. Let's play. Oh, barcode. All right. Takes pictures. Oh wow. This is HDR settings. Where is the video that I just recorded? That is the next finding my downloads. Alright guys, here we go. You know, test 1 2 1 1 1 1. It's clear. Alright, I am definitely liking this camera. And you guys could check them out. My oh boy, Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Order one of these Emeet Smart Cam C990. Get them now before they sell out. Because like I said, this is amazing. Compared to the other ones I've done, this is definitely my favorite one. And I'm not a big camera person, like in that field, but this is definitely a nice one. So check them out, YouTubers. Give it a shot. Like I said, grab a couple. One for yourself, one for backup. Just in case, or have two of them in case what you're doing with your vlogs. But definitely nice. Easy setup. Plugged in right away. Popped it up. No problems. And you guys could have some fun with it. Be safe out there. Have a good night. See you in the next video.